To learn how to pair the jewel tones of our Courageous Luxe Artistry palette, let's go back to the basics of the color wheel. Let's begin with the three primary shades of the color wheel: red, yellow, and blue. In our Courageous palette, the red ruby shades are Heart and Hustle. The yellow citrine shades are Unbreakable and Unstoppable. And the blue sapphire shades are Bold and Brave. Now let's move on to secondary colors. Secondary colors are created when two primary colors are combined. These include orange, violet, and green. In our Courageous palette, the orange citrine shades are Risk and Roar. The violet amethyst shades are Power Suit, Passion, and Persist. And the green emerald shades are Adventure and Ambition. In addition to primary and secondary, the palette also includes two additional shades that can be used with every color. Shiro is a velvety matte moonstone shade that can be used to lighten or brighten colors. Queen is a 24 karat gold inspired pressed glitter pigment that will add sparkle to your look. Now let's talk about how to use all of these beautiful colors together. Two easy ways to combine shades is by using complementary colors or parallel colors. Complementary colors are two colors that are opposite of each other on the color wheel, like blue and orange, red and green, yellow and violet. Complementary shades in the Courageous palette are Bold and Roar, Heart and Adventure, Unbreakable and Power Suit. Parallel colors are colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, like red and orange, red and violet, yellow and orange, yellow and green, green and blue, blue and violet. Parallel colors in the Courageous palette include Hustle and Risk, Heart and Passion, Risk and Unstoppable, Unbreakable and Adventure, Ambition and Brave, Bold and Persist. Have fun being bold and getting creative with these colors. We can't wait to see your jewel tones come to life.